Are you tired of breaking, dry scalp and slow hair growth? This powerful herbs hair spray made with hibiscus, rosemary, lavender, clove and some essential oils. It has transformed my hair and my daughter's hair, and it can help yours too. So let's start the video, guys. Welcome to Queenpagdede channel. Let's start with hibiscus, the benefit of hibiscus. But before that, guys, let me explain to you how did I get to this point. Well, yesterday I take 1 tablespoon of clove, 1 tablespoon of rosemary and lavender. I just use my hand to take the lavender and put inside plus my hibiscus. So I put inside this bottle and heat water. I boil the water. I pour the hot water inside, but it's too thin. Whether you can boil it from the fire 10 to 15 minutes with low fire, or you can infuse it. But I prefer to infuse my thing because when you infuse it, that is how you can get more benefit, or more the nutrients are entering well. Even sometimes if I boil my thing like 10 to 15 minutes, I would definitely going to leave it again for 6 hours before infuse it, before strain it and start to use. So now, okay guys, let's start with hibiscus. Hibiscus, it is rich in amino acid, which nourish this hair, strengthening roots and preventing breaking. If you are adding hibiscus into your routine, or if you have your hair is breaking and you start using hibiscus, you will say bye-bye to breaking hair because your hair will stop breaking. But make sure that you use it in consistency, because consistency is the key. Lavender, let's look at lavender. Lavender also is improving scalp blood circulation and promoting hair growth naturally. It's also adding some volume and more fragrance into your hair if you are adding lavender into your routine. I don't joke with these natural herbs. Okay guys, let us look at rosemary. Rosemary is also go-to herbs for hair growth. It's stimulating black flows, and also if you have thinning hair, rosemary is something that will help you to come out from your thinning hair. If your blood circulation is not working well, you are starting using rosemary. It's something that is going to help you. There are so many benefits of these herbs and we cannot count it. It's uncountable. When you check about this, the herbs that I'm just mentioned to you, not for only hair growth, it's having natural, is just a medical things, helps for us to be using it in the normal basis time. So let's look about clove. Clove there, guys, I don't joke with clove in my house. I have cloves in the water. I'm drinking clove water. Tea, even tea when I'm doing. I know some people, they don't love clove to put inside their tea. I love drinking tea with clove. You know, I'll always put clove inside when I'm drinking tea. So clove is something that when you check about the benefit of clove, the human body, including the hair growing journey, when you see it's billions of things that benefit that you will see from clove. So let's check. Clove is also boosting blood circulation to the scalp and strengthening the root while adding natural shine and thicker to your hair. As I said, these things are working together, because if you have thinning hair and you are looking for thicker hair, those herbs that you need to be using. And I'm not talking, guys, go through on my my pages or go to my live videos, you will see my daughter hair that yes, these herbs have been helping I and my daughter because it's good for us. So when you check about when you check about the oils that I added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also is protecting your hair, sealing in moisture and repelling dandruff. If you have dandruff in your hair and you are adding vitamin E oil, it's also doing what? Doing you treatment. It's also treating it. Or if you have damaging hair and you are using vitamin E, you add vitamin E to your things. It's also replacing that damaging hairs. So it's very good for us to be using this. But guys, I'm reminding you people, everything, consistency is the key. You cannot say you are just going to use it like that. You have to use it consistency. When I say consistency, make sure at least you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay, 3 to 4 times in a week. And if you are going to use it, as you finish like this, you get your spray bottle, or if you don't have spray bottle and you just get water bottle, pour it inside and make the outside some small hole. Now I'm holding my peppermint oil to add inside. You make the hole from the app and pour it inside and put it in the dark corner, or if you have fridge, you put inside your fridge, but at least keep it. Don't let it more than 7 days. If it is more than 7 days, make sure that you throw it away. Whether you use it or not, throw it away and make a fresh new one again. Okay, these are the things are helping me, I and my daughter, and I can testify and tell you guys, because I can blow it, tell you guys, rosemary essential oil I'm adding now, tell you guys, because we are seeing a lot of difference. I started growing my daughter hair this year. Okay, I was saying, okay, I'm going to do hair growth challenge to my daughter, and that time she was just like 17 months, right? Yeah, getting to 2 years. Yeah, 17 months. Now she's 2 years. So I said, okay, let me start doing it and see how it's going to be. But make sure if you are going to do it for your child, also do some parts. And some people say that you should even make sure the child is up to 2 years above, so that you can start doing it. But if you feel like your daughter, there's no any allergy, there's no any itchings for your daughter, then you are good to do to be using it for your daughter. It's not something bad. But if you see that it's not good for your daughter, then you stop doing it, because there are some children that when you put it inside, they may start itching themselves. It's funny enough, like my daughter, peppermint essential oil, now I'm just putting maybe 1 drop inside, because I know that one, if I put it even 3 to 4 drop, you know, why I put it on her hair, she will start itching. So I'll always make sure maybe 1 drop or 2 drop peppermint. I don't put that one much inside. So after pouring it inside like this, you keep it in the dark corner. When you are going to use it, make sure you shake it, because water and oil, they are not friends. So you have to shake it very well before start to use it. Okay, you can use it for your protective style. If you have protective style, if you have your hair is open like that, you can use it. Or you just have empty hair and you are trying to grow your hair, using this every day is going to help you to grow your hair faster, long and thicker bush hair. The hair that you are dreaming with, you are going to get it. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Please don't forget, share it with other queens, the queens that need to grow their hair, the queens that are having the natural hair but they cannot manage it. Tell them what they can do, how they can use it, or send them the video so that they also watch it and know how they can do. After spraying it into your hair, if you have leave-in conditioner, go ahead with your leave-in conditioner. If you don't have leave-in conditioner, go ahead with your liquid oil, add it, massage your scalp, and also go ahead with butter to seal it.